Chengdu Youxinwei Technology Co., Ltd., founded in 2011, is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, and manufacturing of self-service terminals. We are committed to providing professional, efficient, and intelligent self-service solutions to clients worldwide. Headquartered in Chengdu, China, our company operates a modern manufacturing facility covering over 10,000 square meters, equipped with advanced CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, and complete assembly lines. We offer full process capabilities from industrial design and structural development to final product delivery. Our product range includes payment kiosks, ticketing machines, self-service printers, and intelligent government service terminals. These solutions are widely applied across industries such as public services, healthcare, finance, transportation, and retail. We provide flexible OEM or ODM customization services, and our products are certified by CE, FCC, ROHS, and other international standards. With a growing presence in North America, Europe, and Southeast Asia, Youxinwei has earned global trust and recognition. Driven by innovation and quality, Youxinwei empowers digital transformation and service efficiency through high-performance self-service technology. Partner with us and shape the future of smart service together.